What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and today's podcast is not really a podcast so much it is me talking to you for a few minutes about our next giveaway. So we've been doing a few giveaways with the Keto Brick business, and this is another giveaway. I'm super excited about this one. It's grilling season. It's meat and bricks time. Throughout the whole month of April, I'm going to be doing a brick a day plus meat. And the best way to get your meat is to have a solid grill. So we've got a chance to win a freaking awesome badass grill, pellet smoker from Yoder Smokers. So listen to the podcast and enter to win. What is going on, y'all? Let's talk about some giveaways here. So we've done several pretty awesome Keto Brick giveaways. I think they're pretty awesome, at least. We've done a kayak, we've done a coaching giveaway, we did a massive Rogue squat rack giveaway, and we haven't done a giveaway in a while. So I was thinking, my prep starts on April 3rd, and I'm gonna do a meat and bricks challenge throughout the first month of that prep. I'm gonna do one whole keto brick a day and whatever meat I want to hit my target macros for the entire month. It's kind of like World Carnivore Month in January, except you've also got the keto bricks. And basically what that does is it allows me to have more dietary fat coming from a quality source that's high in stearic acid, and it just streamlines the operation. It allows me to remove a lot of variables, a lot of noise, and then just simply get things dialed in to establish that good baseline for the start of my prep. I've been doing meat and bricks at least 1 month a year for 3 years now, and I always see tremendous success with it. So I figured I'd just start off the prep with that meat and bricks. And when it comes to eating meat and bricks, obviously I've got the bricks covered. I have one whole brick a day. I make the bricks, so I've got plenty of bricks. So y'all definitely need to snag yourself some bricks too. But when it comes to the meat aspect, it's like, all right, do I want to have something grilled? Do I want to have something fried? Do I want to have something, seared? What do I do? Lots of different ways to cook meat. But if you got a solid grill, then all your problems are solved. And when it comes to grills, this is the time of the year to grill. Like April is the time of year to start grilling. Spring's right around the corner. It's warm outside, starting to get warm outside. You want to get outside, you want to fire up the grill, you want to have your friends over, you want to eat some good food, and you can't do that without a solid grill. So I've been a Traeger man for the past several years. I've got a Traeger. I bought it 3 years ago, and it's been pretty solid for me. Traeger's kind of like the grill that everybody thinks of when they think of pellet grills. And I love pellet grills. But honestly, the Traeger's been kind of doing me dirty here lately. It's just kind of getting old, I guess. It's not really holding up like I would want a grill to. And like a few months after I bought it, the latch broke. That's just not what I wanted in a quality grill. So I've been looking for what is better than the Traeger. And I came across a brand called Yoder Smokers. They're made in America. They use heavy gauge steel, like not that super flimsy, thin, stamped metal stuff. This is like legit steel, and I'm all about steel because I think, when you're talking about metalworking, metal fabrication, grills, you want something that lasts you decades, not just a year or two. So, super impressed by that. They've got their own Wi-Fi technology with the app to regulate the temperatures. The temperature goes from like 150 degrees to 600 degrees. They've got an option to where you can move the cover and actually have the meat exposed to open flame so you can sear the meat. They've got a 20-pound pellet hopper. They've got all this quality, stuff built into the grill, into the smoker. So I'm getting rid of my Traeger. I'm going to go get a Yoder smoker, and I'm like, you know what? That would make a pretty good keto brick giveaway. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So for the month of April, it's going to be a meat and bricks challenge month. All you got to do is eat one brick a day, and then whatever meat you want. And for that meat, I hope you're able to win this smoker and cook all your meat on that smoker. So this grill is like the upper echelon, the creme de la creme of pellet grills. This grill costs $2,500, and it comes with all the bells and whistles. And whoever wins the giveaway, I'm going to buy this grill and ship it to you. All you have to do in order to enter to win this giveaway is simply buy some keto bricks. Every $10 spent on KetoBrick.com enters you in a chance to win. It gives you one entry ticket. On the 1st of May, I'm going to go through and look at all the orders from the entire month of April, and I'm going to randomly select that winner and then notify them, and they will be getting a free Yoder Smoker grill. And there's different grills that Yoder Smoker offers. I'm doing the bigger one. So the smaller one is like 480. The bigger one is called the 640 series. It's got like over 1,000 square inches of grilling space. It is a legit grill. So I'm super stoked about it. I have no doubt this will be a grill that will last you for years to come. Again, all you have to do to enter to win is simply go to ketobrick.com at any point throughout the month of April. Every $10 spent on bricks equals 1 entry ticket to win this grill. I'm going to randomly select that winner at the end of the month, or beginning of May rather, and you're going to be good to go. So that's how you enter to win. I'm super excited about the giveaway. Ketobrick.com for that. Good luck to all of y'all.